In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Chrome browsers, a handy trick that helps keep your personal, work, and other online activities organized and distinct. If you find yourself juggling multiple accounts or simply need a bit more organization in your digital life, this guide will really set you on the right path. To get started, open up your Chrome browser and locate your profile icon. You'll find it neatly set at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. You'll see a drop-down that gives you an overview of your current profile, along with options related to settings and users. From here, look for the option that says Add or Add Profile. Select it. This step essentially allows you to create a new, separate instance of Chrome. Think of it like having another version of Chrome where everything from bookmarks to history is independent of your current setup. Once you select Add, you'll be presented with a choice. Continue without a Google account or sign in with one. If you choose to sign in, your data, such as bookmarks, extensions, and settings, can be synced across devices, offering seamless integration and continuity no matter where you're accessing Chrome. This choice comes down to personal preference and whether you want to keep your new profile linked with your existing Google data or kept entirely separate. Next, prepare to personalize your new profile. You'll be prompted to choose a name, theme color, and profile icon. The name is how your new profile will be identified, so choose something descriptive, like work or personal, to keep them straight. The theme color and icon will help distinguish this profile from any other that you may have, adding a bit of fun and customization as you navigate between them. Once you've made these choices, just click Done to finalize the creation of your new Chrome profile. And there you have it, a new, fresh Chrome browser that's ready to cater specifically to your unique needs, free from the clutter of other activities or profiles. Now, whenever you want to switch between profiles, just go back to that profile icon at the top right corner of Chrome. Click it, and you'll see all the Chrome profiles you've created. Simply select the one you want to switch to, and Chrome will open it up just like that with all its personalized settings. Creating multiple Chrome browsers is an intuitive way to structure your online activities. Whether you're organizing work-related materials separately from your personal browsing or just trying to keep different accounts in order, this method allows for a neat division and accessible management of tasks. It's an efficient alternative to logging in and out of multiple accounts or tabs, so give it a try and enjoy a more organized digital space.